In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create channel art for YouTube using GIMP in this beginner-friendly tutorial. Designing engaging channel art is an essential step in establishing a strong presence on YouTube. Channel art is not just the first thing people notice about your channel, but it also sets the tone for your brand. So let's dive into GIMP and get started. First, we'll want to get things rolling by creating a new canvas. Open GIMP, then head to the top menu and click on File and select New. A dialog box will appear where you need to input the dimensions of your canvas. For YouTube channel art, the recommended dimensions are 2560 pixels wide by 1440 pixels high. This size ensures that your art is compatible across all devices, from desktops to mobile phones and even televisions. Once you've got those numbers dialed in, go ahead and click OK to create your new canvas, a blank slate, ready for your creative touch. Now that we have our canvas, let's focus on the safe area. This is the part that will be visible on all devices and is crucial for ensuring that your important content, like your channel name and logo, won't be cut off. We need to create a rectangle with the dimensions 46 pixels wide by 423 pixels high, centered on the canvas. This step can be done by selecting the Rectangle Select tool from the toolbox. Once you have your rectangle, center it within the canvas. This safe area will serve as your guide throughout the design process, helping you to maintain focus on what's most important. With the safe area in place, it's time to add some flair with your background and branding elements, such as text or logos. Think about using a background that resonates with your channel's theme or niche to instantly communicate your brand. Import or design a background by navigating to File, and then Open as Layers to keep everything tidy. For branding text or a logo, use the Text tool, or import your logo file by following a similar path. File, and then Open as Layers. Be sure to scale everything appropriately within the safe area to ensure it appears as intended. After perfecting your masterpiece, it's time to export it. Select File, then Export As, which will open a dialog to choose file formats. Choose between JPG or PNG. PNG is typically better for preserving high-quality details. You might want to double-check your settings to ensure your image looks just the way you want. Once all set, click Export, and you are done. Congratulations! You've now created channel art for YouTube with GIMP. You're now ready to upload it to your channel and make a lasting impression. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore more design possibilities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.